I'm not on vacation, I am here. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, July 7th, 2016. Mirrorcat did the video for me last night. Thank you, Mirrorcat. I was thinking about going on vacation this week. Changed my mind. We're going to do that later. And market started to fall out of bed and then rallied back by day's end yesterday. So maybe that's why the market's rallied back. It's the weirdest thing ever. Every time I leave, it seems like the markets crash and burn. Craziest thing. All right. Markets end to the day. Mix. NASDAQ, small caps up when everybody else is down. Financials also up. Banks up 0.8%. It's almost like the markets already knows, at least smart money already knows what the job report for Friday is going to come out like. And anyway, you have crude oil down 4.5%, just a big drop. Gold off, silver up by more than 2%. Sold my silver today. And VIX down nearly 2%. So now I cannot stress this enough. If you're not a Facebook fan yet of Grok Trade, you want to do that. I put out 2 warnings, one yesterday, one today, saying that tomorrow's job report is a monster report due to us being post-Brexit and also with the heels right now of the Fed looking to raise interest rates. But right now, projections are they will not raise interest rates until 2018. But that could all change tomorrow based off that jobs report. There's a ton writing on this. Woe to the markets if that job report comes in at below 100,000. So that is why I am flat the market going into tomorrow, and I plan to do that throughout the weekend. We will see. And big news. If you go here to Grok Trade, you're going to see some big changes. If you go to groktrade.com, scroll down, check this out. Start here 101 courses. Guys, this is brand new 101s. This is version 2.0, updated version of the 101s. Now listen, here's the secret. You can download these, and you have to download these to watch beyond 15 minutes. Most of them are right around 15 minutes of length. You get a lot of information quickly. This is for people that don't know much about trading at all but want to know about trading. Fill this out. You will get these every 2 days. But make sure you download them onto your computer so you can watch them in their entirety. But right here, Meet the Mentor. We have decided that it would make a lot of sense for Mirrorcat and myself to talk about our mentoring, and we're going to do that 3 times a week. You can pick your day or time, and anyway, do that right here. And yeah, here's talk about the mentorships. It's question and answer only, and you'll get a chance to know everything about it. Going back here to the markets, what is fascinating with the S&P is on yesterday, Wednesday, we kept down, we rallied up, and smashed our head right against resistance. Today, we're up, down, back up, or one of those. I might have that backwards, but then we close back at that line. So we're right at that line where technically I'd be wanting to put one of these red arrows right here because we're at resistance heading down. I cannot put that there right now because of the big report coming out tomorrow pre-market. Won't do it, can't do it. Because this thing could just rally straight north, or this thing could just crash and burn. It's a 50-50. I'm not comfortable playing a 50-50 game. That is not how I trade. I am not at all a gambler. I am the house in the markets. I am trading with the odds in my favor. And, to be quite frank, myself, other well-educated students, especially the Grok trade mentees, the students that come through. We are victimizing those who are not as educated out there in the markets. Look here at the diamonds. We're right here at resistance. And NASDAQ, we've been over resistance. We continue to go over resistance. And we are relatively stronger on the NASDAQ and Russells. Let's go to Russells than the rest of the markets. So very strong to see that. Here's the Russells, caught up in the moving average still. But the banks had a nice little rally today compared to the S&P and the Dow. That's telling me, what do they know? What do they know that the rest of the world doesn't know? Let the conspiracy theories fly, especially if we go extremely bullish tomorrow. Right there's the smoking gun. Here's financials, slightly higher. Crude oil. Now here, check this out. Remember how I said when we broke this, and I said that's a sell now? Even though Wednesday we went bullish here, you still stayed below this line. That's a bit. That sell signal is still on. Woe to the markets for the crude oil. That could continue to drop here. Gold pulling back. Thought we were above resistance line. I'm not seeing it as that, and I'm going to see what that line is. Pull this. No. Actually, I'm going to keep that one there, and I'm going to take this line, massage it to there, blow this back up. So that's where we're at. Silver, I'm calling this a sell now. We're at resistance. Went ahead and drew that line, retweaked it here. I'm calling it a sell now. So I'm out of that. So as a reminder, groktrade.com, get the brand new 101s. They are fresh off the skillet. Fresh out of the oven, they are ready to rock and roll. And get yourself signed up for the Meet the Mentor, and you'll be glad to know about both of those. So, give you the very best technical analysis. If you like it, like.